You're looking to do gardening work, nail down or sit down, and you have here is a portable stool that you can hang up anywhere. Simply grab, open, and nail in a matter of seconds. And then you can take it and use it as a seat as well to sit on any particular way, like so. And what we're going to do is show you what this is about. Chitty Uncle, 520-pound capacity, nailing garden seat for your outdoor gardening needs. It comes nicely packaged, as you can see, and what we're going to do is pull out the instructions that are laid on top, very easy to follow, made of ABS plastic, reinforced, gray. Check online for further details about the company and what they offer. Fabric, your gardening tool little pouch area, inside a plastic sleeve, more items, cushion and all. It's very compact that it can fit in the car, taken anywhere on the go when you need to help out, and more. So as we take everything out, we simply open up by pulling firmly. You hear it snapping into place over here into the mechanisms. Turn it around, and you're all set up, ready to sit. All you have to do is put the arms on and put your tool bags and more on. All you have to do now is just simply put the arms on by placing on top and firmly pressing in on each of the sides. They snap in just like that. Then you take your fabricated tools and place it over the arm seat rests. The storage bag goes on either side, not both sides together. That is what this bag is for a separate area of tools that you put in. Now we also have on the mechanism that you press over here on each of the sides, a button that simply pulls out the legs like so and snaps into place in the furthest hole in the front for stability. And now your seat is ready to use. Made of strong foam, rubber, and to fold up, you simply grab on the sides and you fold in by giving a little press on each the bottoms. And you're able to fold this up as simple as 1, 2, 3. We have the 2-in-1 seat. We could simply open up, very simple, it's lightweight. If we want to nail down, we simply place the arms like so and protect our knees from the floor and do our work by cutting. We have a tool bag that we could put all the tools we want in and carry with ease, our cuttings and so forth. And if we wanted to sit down, we simply remove the bag and we flip this around the opposite way that we could place the bag on to sit down and do our work as well. Grab a chair, grab a stool. It's portable, foldable in either way. It opens up pretty quick. It has over here stability legs when sitting down for additional support as you pull out carefully and lock into place by small silver clips. And you don't have rubber, but you have plastic, so it will not sit on a tile floor correctly. And you're able to take the cushion, put it on either side, and do your work. So this way you don't tilt over leaning back, but you will tilt over leaning forward. You have your tool bag on the side that you could take your spade, put into the area so you could take your cuttings of a snowball bush, a strawberry, a lemon tree, tomatoes. If you're looking to simply remove and then take the stool and turn it around the opposite end, still to leave the extended arms that the pad will not go on. That must be closed in order to get on and slip on over. And then you're able to take the stool anywhere you want, nail down, and do your work wherever you need to have your gardening needs to dig up and so forth, and cut and trim and all. It's lightweight, portable, camping, hiking, anywhere you need to have a stool. You're a 2-in-1 chair and stool with a rubber cushion. Could be for outdoors, indoors, wherever you need to do your work. Simply grab the handle, lower down like so by pulling. It is strong to push down. It is a nice firm press to lock into place. And you have your portable stool wherever you need to go, your gardening, nailing needs. These stay on, hang up, put where you need to have it at, your gardening stool. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your gardening needs.